Hello. This is, well, we'll see if she does it. She was playing her food game that she thinks is so funny. Oh, you're not doing it now, huh? Now are you too interested in this? Come here. No, you're not going to play it.
Single!
You just want to show how you eat? Why don't we switch? Oh, why don't we switch to the fruit? Thomas is getting some exercise, playing some Wii Sports today. Say hi.
Hi.
Yum, yum, yum.
Foul ball.
You're a little messy. Let's just get you cleaned off. Okay. There you go. She thinks she's so clever. Oh, but you like it too much to play that game right now, huh?
Strike out! Change!
Alright, so you're not going to play the game. This was just you eating cute. Can you show us, how big is Tess? How big is Tess?
Strike!
So big! Very good. Can you give Mama 5? Give Mama 5? Oh wait, alright, how about this one? Can you say bye-bye? Can you do your bye-bye? Well, you got to hear her shriek. I don't think you're going to bye-bye. Okay.